lot of stuff, isn't there?
Bag purse.
Eh?
Bag purse.
Oh yeah. How cute are they?
They're really cute.
Wow. They're naked.
They're so sweet.
So crazy.
They're so
So cute. They've got really small heads.
It's like Osmo.
Eh?
It's like
Yeah, they've got really small heads.
like the really cute, like angry. Oh my god, it's my favourite one so far.
Good little paws.
I know. He looks like an exotic, like his
Yeah.
face. Oh my god, they're so so tiny. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you just sanitize for me. With TJ.
Wow. It's cute, isn't it?
Is he asleep? Almost.
His eyes are just about open. To serve. So there's a big difference. So yes, the domestic savannah will be bigger than a Bengal. Although some Bengals are very big, they're usually male. You would expect